I would rate my experience in Ghana a 10 out of 10, I would say, because I really appreciate the Academic City's close-knit campus community. My name is Caleb Frank, and I am a fourth-year mechanical engineering student from the University of Dayton in Ohio. And right now I'm working on the robotics kit project where we take recycled plastic bottles and turn those plastic bottles into filament for a 3D printer. And then we have designed a robotic kit system that is to be 3D printed from that material and then given to kids in underserved communities to push STEM education at a young age.
So I'm working on this project as a way to help build my engineering skill set. I think it's super valuable to have this sort of experience in a multicultural environment, in a country that I believe with people that approach problem solving in a different way than I might have in the past. And the project is important because it introduces a new way of designing and 3D printing in a sustainable way while focusing it more towards the educational aspect for younger people.
The key takeaways I have gotten as a student, as an individual, as a global problem solver, I have learned how to collaborate with people, and it has introduced me to the corporate world. That's how to get along with your colleagues at work to get things done, in spite of any differences that may be or differences that may exist amongst you.
My advice for the future student that wants to engage in the ATOS program is that this is really a program that will allow you to expand your mind and then to open your horizon on various subjects, not only in engineering, but also in social and then environmental impact that you can have in your community. So I'm really glad that I took part in this program during this summer, and then I will do it all over again if I have the chance to.